What is good, yo? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, man, we just hit 5,000 subscribers on the channel, and I always say this, man, I appreciate y'all for all the support and, you know, for the continuous comments and, you know, showing love to the videos and, you know, liking and subscribing and all that, man. It really does help the channel out. And like I said, I really want this source of income to be one of my main sources of income, so really trying to grow the channel this year, man. I need a, you know, I know I need to start putting more videos out, so once we get more parts in for the Q and shit, because like I said, we gotta do some TLC in the Q. Expect some more Q50 videos coming out, man. But today, man, I'm just taking y'all for a little drive with me. I'm about to go pick up some drinks from Wawa for my parents and I, so you know, when I get that, I ain't gonna lie, man, if y'all got a Wawa by y'all, try their little refreshers, man, especially on the hot days, bro. My freaking dash right now is 94, but it's probably 94, but it feels like 120, bro. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, this is ridiculous. I don't know how people drive in Florida with no tints, like fishbowl, zero thing on the windshield. I don't know how y'all do that, man, but try to do a couple of pulls for y'all. Cops been hot lately in Florida here, so I know I'm about to go hit Mexico for a little bit so y'all can get some pulls and some sounds, but and I apologize, man, but I don't know if I could crack the window. I could probably crack the window on the AC a little bit. I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna have the window done and AC on, just for y'all. Got the drink secured. All the ice melted already. That's crazy. That goes to show how hot it is in Florida, bro. This is the ice was like up to here already. But then again, I kind of sat here for a couple minutes trying to get this energy in me. Now we got the drinks back there for Mama and Papa beer. Bro, what are you doing? Oh yeah, beautiful place to stop. Look at that. That gas light came on. Guess we gotta get E85 now. Yeah, now we're gonna get some E85 as well. Ah, shit. I forgot they blocked off this road here. Take this straight to Forest, make a left. Boy, got the Bentley. I'm in my town. Can't even speak right now. I definitely need to get one of these, man, for the car outside, because we can only keep 2 cars in the driver, in the garage, and the chaser be cooking outside, man. Used to either clear out my garage or start putting the chaser in, and then the Q, when you start putting this car in the friggin' shade too. The birdies. I'm gonna kill all you. I'm so mad. As soon as I bought the media mod for the GoPro, I lost the freaking wind muff. Oh, come on, man. I want to do a pool. Where is he saying? Really, bro? It's cool. Bruh. See what I tell y'all, man? Just every single corner, they're just out. Just fill up my E and I ran to my dog. I'll throw his Instagram down below. Little G37. Tuned by the same dude, Martin, man. I'm telling y'all, Martin. Y'all gotta get tuned by Martin, get right. Boy, I got the 370s wheels on there. The little GTR style headlights. You got that Melbeck black too. You can see a little purple. I got my boy, bro. Smell naive. We got our fresh elote. Let's see if we can do some pulls here real quick. This screen, this always irritates me. Like I said, Mark 7 coming soon. Mark 7? Is it Mark 7? Yeah, I think it's the Mark 7 Tesla screen. Coming soon. Gonna be able to bump some Netflix, some YouTube. Someone said in the last video you can rock out a freaking Xbox, man. Shit. Watermelon lemonade, not bad. Wawa refresher energy drink, man. Got like only like one pump of energy in there. For a hot day, it's a must, a must. know I ain't deja vu. I just saw you pass go that way, and you circle back around and came back this way. I know I ain't tripping. I just saw you pass. Yeah, it's potential though. Clean some stuff up on that, bro. Quarters are clean if you do it right, bro. Don't rice it out. Like he's on the borderline there. Is like, yo, he can actually do something clean on that. One thing I definitely got to do is wire tap this into the mirror, so I ain't got wires hanging down like this. Boy, the freaking bracket, the legit bracket, is like almost 200 bucks just for the bracket for this damn radar. It's ridiculous. But from the reviews, they said it's worth it because I really wanted this to be as close to the mirror here as possible and off of the dash. Yo, I don't understand how some of y'all Jay-Z cars, because I know a lot of 2J cars, when they do swaps and stuff, they don't run AC. Especially if you live in Florida, dog. How are you doing that? How are you surviving that? How are you alive when you get home without AC? Especially living in South Florida and with this literally, look, now the car is saying 99 degrees. This weekend just been boiling, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. New Z? Look like a stock though. I probably got a chance.